By this time, you should have read in your book about cause and effect. This tutorial is going to show you how to do an outline for your cause-effect essay. Now, I'm asking you to do either the causes or the effects of something, and you're going to have to use resources on this one. So to start your outline, you're going to have Roman numeral 1, which is the introduction. Under that is capital A, and I'm giving background. You can give any kind of lead in that you want, but background always serves us well. Under background, I have severe earthquakes of the past, so I can talk about many earthquakes in the past that have happened and how to measure earthquakes. Then I'm going to end that paragraph with a thesis statement. Now, I have said here that we're going to talk about the effects of severe earthquake. So that shows the reader that this is what happens after the earthquakes. Then at the end of this thesis, I have 3 points of discussion: the destruction of buildings and roads, the interruption of services, and tsunamis. Now I go into the different points of discussion. So Roman numeral 2 is the first point of discussion, buildings and roads. Here it is in the thesis, and here it is down in Roman numeral 2. Under that, I have A, B, and C, roads, businesses, and houses that I'm going to talk about. Now, it would be a good idea if you put information under each one of those in regular Arabic numbers, 1, 2, 3, etc. That way, it'll be easier for you to do your paper because remember, this essay is more of just notes that you're taking so that you can write your paper more easily. Roman numeral 3 is going to be the second point of discussion that is in your thesis. So your second point of discussion is interruption of services here. And here we go. Roman numeral 3, interruption of services. And then I have a list of things that would be interrupted: gasoline, markets, electricity, natural gas, drinking water. Roman numeral 4 is the third point of discussion. In this case, it's going to be tsunamis. Now, A, I have caused by earthquake, B, just as destructive as an earthquake, and C, secondary effect of an earthquake. Now, remember in your reading, you learned about causes that become effects. And that's what we have here. And that is also your last point of discussion. Finally, you have Roman numeral 5, right? And that just has to be conclusion. You're going to summarize what you've said and restate your thesis. In the summary, you can always make points underneath that so you remember what you're going to talk about. Right? Now, each one of these Roman numerals is not necessarily a paragraph. Roman numeral 1, the introduction, is 1 paragraph. Roman numeral 5, the conclusion, is 1 paragraph. But here, Roman numerals 2, 3, and 4 are going to be multiple paragraphs. 3, 4, 5, probably 3 would be best, and that would keep you within the required page numbers. But here's where you're going to have most of your information, are in Roman numerals 2, 3, and 4. The last thing I want to point out is you notice in here I don't have any complete sentences except the thesis statement. And that's the way I want these written. That doesn't mean every single instructor will tell you to do that, but that's the way I want you to do this. Now, when you write an entire paragraph here, or here, or here, or here, or wherever, that is just writing your essay in outline format, and that's not going to work. You have to have points of discussion. You have to have what you're going to talk about, and I want them to be just 1 or 2 words, a phrase, but nothing really detailed. So remember, no complete sentences in the outline unless it's the thesis. Okay? That's all for this. I think it's pretty straightforward. I feel you will be doing just fine. All right. Good luck on it.